was a young man, I carried a pack, and I lived the free life of a rover. From the Murray's green basin to the dusty outback, I waltzed me Matilda all over. Then in 1915 the country said, son, there's no time for roving, there's work to be done. And they gave me a tin hat, and they gave me a gun, and they marched me away to the war. And the band played Waltzing Matilda as our ships pulled away from the quay. Amidst all the cheers, the flag waving and tears, we sailed off for Gallipoli. How well I remember that terrible day when our blood stained the sand and the water. How in that hell that they called Super Bay, we were butchered like lambs at the slaughter. Johnny Turkey was ready, he primed himself well. He showered us with bullets and he rained us with shells. And in 10 minutes flat, well, he'd blown us to hell. Nearly blew us back home to Australia. And the band played Waltzing Matilda as we stopped to bury the slain. Well, we buried ours, and the Turks buried theirs, and we started all over again. Well, those that were left, we tried to survive in that mad world of blood, death and fire. For 10 weary weeks I kept myself alive, while around me the corpses piled higher. Then a big Turkish shell knocked me ass overhead, and when I awoke in my hospital bed, when I saw what it done, then I wished I was dead. I never knew there were worse things than dying. For no more I'll go waltzing Matilda all around the green bush far and free. To hump Tintin pigs, a man needs both legs. No more waltzing Matilda for me. They collected the crippled, the wounded and maimed, and they shipped us on home to Australia. The armless, the legless, the blind and insane, all the brave wounded heroes of Sula. And when our ship pulled into Circular Quay, and I looked at the place where my legs used to be, I thank Christ there was nobody waiting for me to grieve and to mourn and to pity. And the band played Waltzing Matilda as they carried us down the gangway. But nobody cheered, they just stood there and stared, and then turned their faces away. Now every April I sit on me porch and I watch the parade pass before me. I see me old comrades, how proudly they march, reliving old dreams and past glories. But the old men march slowly, their bones stiff and sore, tired old men from a forgotten war. And the young people ask me, what are they marching for? And I ask myself the same question. And the band plays Waltzing Matilda, and the old men still answer the call. But year after year, those old men disappear. Someday no one will march there at all. And the band played Waltzing Matilda, and the old men still answer the call. But year after year, those old men disappear.